Hey guys, are you a fan of Janhvi Kapoor's flawless skin and luscious hair? Well, you are in luck today because we are going to share some of her secret DIY home remedies that she swears by to maintain her beauty. For our first remedy, we need the following ingredients: yogurt, honey, banana and orange peel. Let's take a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of yogurt to the bowl. The zinc ingredient in yogurt helps to reduce inflammation and firm the skin. According to research, about 100 grams of yogurt will have 1 milligram of zinc. This mineral also works to regenerate cells and tissues and remove dead cells and sebum from the body. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to the bowl. Honey has exfoliating properties and using it on your face can eliminate dead skin cells that make your skin look dull. This can reveal brighter skin. Honey is a natural humectant, that means it pulls in moisture and locks it into the skin. It also creates a protective barrier to prevent dryness. Plus, the enzymes in honey help exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells to soften rough skin. Now add any mashed seasonal fruit of your choice together into a paste. We are using banana here. Let's add it to the bowl. Bananas are a great way to restore softness and remove dead skin from your face. The enzymes in the banana peel help remove the dead skin cells on the surface of your face and leave soft skin behind. Let's mash it well and turn it into a paste. As you can see, the consistency is a bit slimy and thick. Before you apply it on your face, please make sure that you do a patch test. For the patch test and to apply it on my face, I am going to use cut up orange peels to scrub the mixture in. Scrub it well. The rind of orange is considered a boon for the skin as it treats blackheads and blemishes. It works as an effective exfoliating agent that helps in removing blackheads and unclogging the skin pores. Once the patch test is successful, you can now apply it on your face and then wash up with cold water, and you will instantly notice soft and glowy skin. You can apply this face pack twice a week. Let's move to our next remedy. This second remedy is not just Janhvi Kapoor's favorite but mine too. It's a lip scrub, that too with 2 of my favorite kitchen ingredients. For our next remedy, we need the following ingredients: honey, almond oil and sugar. Take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of honey to the bowl. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture, keeping your lips hydrated throughout the day. Honey also has anti-inflammatory properties to help soothe chapped lips. Honey's antibacterial properties also help to prevent infection if the lips become cracked. Add 1 teaspoon of almond oil to it. Almond oil helps to rejuvenate your lips by removing dead skin cells, preventing chapped lips and keeping them moisturized. Vitamin E present in almond oil helps to keep your lips healthy and protects them from UV rays, which tend to make your lips dark. And lastly, add 1 tablespoon of sugar to this. Sugar is an effective natural exfoliant. When mixed with honey, it becomes a great moisturizing lip scrub. Let's mix it. Before you use it on your lips, please make sure that you do a patch test. It is a little grainy because of the sugar. You can apply this twice a week. Once you do the patch test, you can now apply it on your lips. Using the tip of your fingers, gently massage the scrub onto your lips in circular strokes and remove the dead and dry skin. Rinse off with warm water and finish up with a lip balm of your choice to lock in the moisture. It's time for a quick recap, guys. So for our face mask, we used yogurt, honey and any seasonal fruit of your choice. Then we prepared a lip scrub using sugar, almond oil and honey. Don't forget to tell me which Janhvi Kapoor inspired home remedy you are going to try next. Till then, do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.